Today we'll continue next chapter, that is new lesson. Before starting that lesson, we'll start the prayer. So all of you join your hands, close your eyes and say the prayer along with me. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Yes, children, open your eyes and all of you open your textbook, page number 30. So that is lesson number 6, the little fir tree. So you have seen the different types of trees in our environment, isn't it? So you know the name also. So here this lesson is about the one small little tree, that is fir tree. Little means small. The fir tree is a name of the tree, fir tree. And also we can say that the Christmas tree. Have you seen the Christmas tree? Know how it is? So for your knowledge purpose, I will draw a little tree here. So in the routine language you call it as the Christmas tree, isn't it? So like this the fir trees looks, and it has a different kind of a leaves. You might have seen the other trees, how their leaves are there. The trees leaves are different in the mango tree and the neem tree, but here the fir tree, these leaves are very different. So before starting this lesson, I would like to give you some introduction. That is, what are the advantages we get from the tree? Can you tell me some of the advantages in your EVS, environment studies? You might have learned that the advantages of trees. So we can breathe from the trees. Yes, without trees we cannot breathe, because the trees leaves the oxygen outside and it takes in the carbon dioxide. So to breathe, the oxygen is the main element, isn't it? So we all get oxygen from the trees. That is one advantage. And the second advantage, during the summer season we can get the shadow from the trees. We can get the shade, tree shades. Yes. And next, we can have the furniture from the trees. We can get the furniture from trees. By using the tree trunks, we make the furniture like sofa, chair, table. Yes. And also, one of the most important thing is medicines. We produce medicines from the trees. For example, if you take a neem tree, means it is a very good medicine. Neem tree, antibiotic. Yes, and also tulsi. The tulsi plant is also very, what you can say, valuable for our health. If you eat one leaf of the tulsi, it can avoid so many problems in your health. Yes, so here so many advantages are there from the trees. So if I go on telling, means it will never end. So that much advantages we get from the trees. So why I am telling this is because you see it in the page number 30. Let us begin. Hello, let us begin. So look at the picture and circle the things we get from trees and plants. So see here, in your textbook they have given the trees, and around the trees they have given some names, okay? Yes, some names they have given. So what you have to do is, look at the picture and circle the things which we get from trees and plants. You need to circle. Take a pencil in your hand. All of you take a pencil, and whatever the names I will go on telling, please circle it out. Okay. So see here. Paper. The first one is paper. Yes. We get paper from the trees or not? Yes, we get. So put a circle for this. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ notebooks and books, textbooks, how these are made up of? These all are made up of the trees. ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯನ್ನ, ಮರದ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That is ಬಿದಿರು. One type of bidiru, bamboo trees we use for to make the papers. Yes. So it here, paper. And next, glue. Yes, glue means gum stick. Yes, circle it here. And fruits. Of course, you know that we all get fruits from the trees. Yes. Next, oil. Yes, we get oil from the trees. For if you take means groundnut oil, you use no, and the sunflower oil. These all oils we get from the trees, isn't it? So circle it. And next, flowers. Yes, we get different kind of flowers from the trees. So circle the flowers. And next, furniture. As I told you the beginning the class, we made the furniture from the trees. So circle the furniture. Yes, next, clothes. So you have doubt that how we get cloths from the trees, because how the cloths are made? The cloths are made up of the cotton. So how you get cotton? You get cotton from the cotton plant, isn't it? So here the cloths we get from the plants. Next, pencil. Yes. So you might have seen that how the pencil looks. So man kattige ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ pencil? Yes, because it is made up of the trees. So circle the pencil. Next, basket. Is it right? Yes. Yes or no? No. Leave this one. And car. Car is made up of trees? No. Don't circle this one. And bulb. No. The bulb is made up of glass. So don't circle this. And next one is medicine. Medicine we get from the trees? Yes. For the example I told you, that is neem tree and the tulsi. Yes. There are so many medicine plants are there. Yes. Circle this one. And eraser. Eraser we get from the trees? Yes, of course. So circle it. Because there is a one rubber plant. Rubber plant is there. So by taking that material, they made the eraser. So eraser we get from the trees. Is it clear, children? You come to know that what are the advantages we get from the trees? What are the materials are made up from the trees? Yes? Okay. Now tell everyone what trees and plants give us. You can say that trees and plants give us fruits. Trees and plants give us flowers. Trees and plants give us medicines. Yes, you can keep on going to say like this, okay? Use these all words and make a sentence. That is, trees and plants can give us furniture. Yes, next, trees and plants give us clothes. Like this, generate a sentence by your own. Turn the next page, that is page number 31. Okay. Now, the actual lesson begins here in the page number 31. This is all what I have told you. This is the introduction and the pre-reading task, children. Okay. Once there was a little fir tree. Once there was a little fir tree. It was a pretty tree, but it was very sad. Once upon a time, there was a one little fir tree. Like how I shown here, like this. The fir tree looks like this. That is one little tree. Okay. Fir tree like this. It has a sharp leaves. The fir tree is having the sharp leaves. Okay. And it was a very pretty tree. It looks very pretty, no? During the Christmas season, you might have seen that the Christians will decorate the tree, this Christmas tree. During the Christmas season, isn't it? That time, with all decoration, it looks very attractive. Here, pretty means what? Attractive. The new word is there here, that is pretty. Pretty means attractive. So, the person who looks attractive, that we call it as the pretty. Attractive, okay. So, if somebody is looking attractive, you can say that how pretty you are looking. You are looking very pretty, isn't it? Yes. Next, it was very sad. The tree was very sad. This little tree was very beautiful and very pretty. Then also it looks very sad. I wish I I wish I had a green leaves, it said. The fir tree said that I wish I had green leaves. Of course, it leaves has a green color only. But why this tree is saying like this? We'll see in the next line. All the other trees have a green leaves. The mango tree has a green leaves. The gulmohar tree has a green leaves. So here the little fir tree is comparing to the other trees which are staying by that side. Okay, so by looking the mango tree, the fir tree said that I wish I had a green leaves like the how the other trees are having the green leaves. The mango tree has a green leaves and the gulmohar tree has a green leaves. Here gulmohar means, so on the street side there is a one orange color flower trees, you can see it. So those trees we call it as the gulmohar. Gulmohar andre ಸೊ ರಸ್ತೆಯ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೆರಳು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರಗಳು ಬೆಳೆದು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಕಲರ್ ಹೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀಗೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಗುಲ್ಮೋಹರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೀ. I wish I had green leaves too. So by comparing to the other trees, the fir tree is saying that, ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಗುಲ್ಮೋಹರ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡದ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಫರ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಆಸೆಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈ ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಿಫ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್. ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್, a very thin sharp lip. Needles, a very thin sharp lip. Okay, a very thin sharp lip ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀಡಲ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಸೂಜಿಯಂತೆ ಚೂಪಾಗಿ ಮೊನಚಾಗಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿರಿ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಶೋ ಟ್ರೀ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅದ್ರ ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್, ಅದ್ರ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೂಜಿಯ ತರ ಚೂಪಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀಡಲ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಬರ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀ. ದ ಫರ್ ಟ್ರೀ is saying that my needles are hard and stiff. My needles are very hard and stiff. Stiff means it cannot bend easily. Stiff means straight. So which things stand straightly, we call it as stiff, means we cannot bend easily. No bird will build a nest in me. The fir tree is saying that no bird, no one bird will build a nest in me. So that's why the fir tree was very sad. But you can see in the mango tree, the birds will build a nest in the mango tree and the gulmohar tree and the different trees. But in the fir tree, the no bird will build a nest. The god of the forest heard the little fir tree. Here there was a one god, that is god of the forest, heard the little fir tree when it woke up the next day. The little fir tree had a green leaves. So whatever the words are spoken by the fir tree, that all was heard by the god of the forest. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕಾಡಿನ ದೇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಫರ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅಳಲು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ when the fir tree woke up, the little fir tree had a green leaves. ಸೊ ಈ ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಫರ್ ಟ್ರೀದು ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಹೆಂಗ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ, ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ಸ್, the needles turned into the leaves, green leaves. How happy I am. So by seeing this, the fir tree got very happy and said that, how happy I am, said the little fir tree. Oh, whatever I wished, I got it. So I wish that my leaves are, why I don't have the leaves like a mango tree, but now I have a leaves, so I am very happy, the fir tree said. Next, turn the page number 32. Okay. Along came a hungry goat. It ate all the green leaves. Along came the hungry goat. That time, when the fir tree was very happy, that time one goat came there. Along came. Along means moving from one place to another place. The goat was moving from one place to another place. That time, hungry goat. Hungry goat means it was very hungry. The goat was very hungry. Hungry means feeling that you want to eat something. You want to eat something, we call it as a hungry. Hungry means feeling to eat. Feeling to eat. Okay. So here one goat was moving from one place to another place. That time the goat was very hungry. Means that goat wanted to eat something. That time the little fir tree was sad again. Why it's sad? Because it ate all the green leaves. The goat was ate the all green leaves of the fir tree. Ate means eat. ಇದರ past tense ಏನು ate. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವುದು ಆ ಗೋಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಫರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ತರ ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಈ ತರ ಲೀಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಗಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇವ್ ದ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫರ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ಸೊ ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ when the goat came there, that goat was very hungry and it ate the all the leaves of the tree. Okay. So the little fir tree was sad again. Again the fir tree got very sad. I wish I had gold leaves, it said. So here the fir tree said that I wish I had a gold leaves. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಎಲೆಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಎಲೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಬಂಗಾರದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದಂತವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬಂಗಾರ. ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೀಗ, ಬಂಗಾರದ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಹೇಳ್ತು. ದ ಗಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಫರ್ ಟ್ರೀ. when it woke up the next day, it had a gold leaves. So the again god of the forest heard the all the words from the fir tree, and again he gave a gift to the fir tree, that the next morning these green leaves turned into the gold leaves. How happy I am, said the little fir tree. So whatever the fir tree is wishing, the god is giving all to the fir tree. So again the fir tree felt very happy by seeing the gold leaves. Along came a man, he stole all the gold leaves. So there one man was moving from one place to the another place. That time on the way he saw the fir tree with the golden leaves. So ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂಗಾರ ಸಿಕ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ನೋ. ಇವನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಬಂಗಾರ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ದ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲೋಯಿಶ್ ಆಗಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಗೆ ಅದು ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, he went near that tree and he stole all the gold leaves. Stole ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕದಿಯೋದು, steal something. So here stole means to take another person things. To take another person things. Okay. Yes. Here steal. Stole, steal ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. So to take another person's things. Okay. Yes. ಬೇರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ, ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕದಿಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಟೋಲ್. ಓಕೆ. The little fir tree was sad again. The man stole all the golden leaves of the tree. So again the tree got very sad. Yes, children, are all of you understanding the lesson? So how nice it is, no? Here the tree is wishing extremely, isn't it? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅತಿ ಆಸೆಯನ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಾಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಗೋಟ್ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತು. ಅವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ವಿಶ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ stole all the gold leaves. So next what happens, we'll see in the next class. Okay, so till then make a list of all the new words in your fair book, copy it neatly and write 5 times each new words. Yes children, thank you, have a nice day.